Hey, welcome to Day 12 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving add two promises. The question says, given two promises, promise 1 and promise 2, return a new promise. Promise 1 and promise 2 both resolve with a number, and the promise that we are returning should resolve with the sum of these two numbers. Let's look at the example. So promise 1 resolves with the value 2 and promise 2 resolves with the value 5. So output is 7. So let's start. So as we need to wait for both the promises to resolve, we can use promise.all function. It takes an array of promises. So we will pass promise 1, 2. It returns a promise that resolves to array of values returned by these promises. So we can use dot then on it and it will give us array of values. Now we just need to return first and second value. That is the value returned by this promise and this promise. So we just return values of 0 plus values of 1. And we need to return this promise. So return here. That's it. Let's submit it. And it works. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Follow for more such content. See ya.